One useful feature our software has is the ability to split pension. In this video, I'm going to give a brief demonstration on how you can split pension amounts amongst a spouse. Over here I have a return which contains two T4A slips. One is a T4A OAS and the other is just a regular T4A. Both these slips are recording pension amounts. In order to split pension amongst a spouse, you need to have the T1032 form opened on both returns. There are two sections on the T1032. One section is for the individual who's electing to split their pension, and the other section is for the spouse. For the individual who's splitting their pension, they will need to make sure that the checkbox for section A is checked. You'll then notice that your eligible pension amount will show up as well as the maximum amount that you can split. From there, you can enter the amount you wish to split. You can enter this amount in the box titled Elected Split Pension Amount. For the spouse, they must have section B selected. You'll now see the split pension amount show up in section B of the T1032. In order to verify that the pension has been split, you can navigate to line 11600 of your T1 General. As you can see, under line 11600, it says 12,500, so the pension was successfully split. This was just a brief demonstration on how you can split your pension. For more information, you can either check out the CRA website or take a look at some of our other videos. Thanks for watching.